secret.
Are you sure it's safe?
Most definitely.
Oh man. I wonder what's happening today in my barren wasteland of
Uh,
is there a police officer here? Wait. Wait, sir, I'll go down there.
Get down,
Yes.
bitch!
I'll go down, sir.
Get down.
Hello, sir. Get out of the way. How am I Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Wait. Let me
Sir,
I've been in
I just noticed. Why is one of your boats broken?
nah, that's not my boat, man. I just moved here. They left me, so I don't even know whose boat is that.
Do you have a permit?
I don't even own those boats, man. They just left it here. Wait,
You have a permit.
wait, I will cook you something. Wait, I'll cook you
You have a
something.
permit. Do you have a permit for the building?
Oh yeah, I do.
Oh, show me then.
Alright, let me just get something in the kitchen then. Do not follow me, please.
Alright.
Alright.
What are you doing? Oh shit! Did you take a shit or something, man? What is this?
I was cooking I was cooking
You-
my
you take-
burrito.
Did you take a shit?
I was cooking my burrito.
I didn't know you have a pole here, sir. I didn't know you had a pole here. I didn't know you were that kind of man.
Is this
You hear that?
bulletproof?
Nah, man, it's not bulletproof.
Hey, where are you going?
Shit.
You need help?
Yeah, I need help. I'm on one of the boats.
I don't think you need help now. You can just.
Yeah, fat rat.
So we need to fix this up though.
Fix this, I bet.
Alright, time to build! The walls, bro.
No, boxes. But I got something for those natural.
Oh!
No worries.
Are you sure that's safe?
It's a master secret.
Are you sure it's safe?
Most definitely. Yeah, I'm not dead, so it's safe.
But I'm not.
I'm-
I'm not
I'm-
okay. Yeah. We should call your assistant.
My assistant? My slave assistant, wait.
Wait, don't say that.
Wait, I'm ping him. Time
Wait.
for-
What do you mean by, you know,
What do you mean by
like,
what?
the
We have
natural
30 minutes.
disasters? I live in
We have 20 minutes before those came. Before they're gonna come, we have 20 minutes as I'm barricading in your fucking house right now. You're paying me, right?
You came into my house trying to get my license for my own house.
I
This is
spent all
how-
of these. I spent all of these just for your house.
Fine, I'm
Man.
paying you.
You need to pay. How much?
Give me a sec. Let me just get these.
What the fuck do you do?
It's a metal pipe.
Oh. We might need a bomb to kill the
No!
tornado.
That's gonna kill me. You're gonna
Don't kill
you're
any.
gonna get
Don't
my
kill.
I'm getting. Oh! Nowadays it costs.
Wait,
It's rare to
before-
find these now.
Before you hire a contractor, we gotta destroy the house first.
So I'd have to pay more.
Why not? Oh shit! Build.
Explodes you. I think I have to press E on it. the way you die, the way you die.
Perfect. Now get those contractors on God.
All right. Let's just go camp out for a bit. I wonder how the contractors are doing already.
What?
Oh, I'm behind the car.
No wonder it's fat. It's so heavy. Oh shit! I'm drifting. I'm drifting. Yeah, there you go. Perfect.
It looks good. They fixed it, man.
They fixed the entire thing. Is this back? It's back.
Oh yeah, you can take my antique TV now.
All right, I
Cost
can.
10 billion
thank
dollars. Ah! What did you do?
Oh,
What did you
the
do?
TV, the TV blew up. The TV
I
blew
was
up.
holding it. What did you? What were you doing? Did they leave the stove on?
The TV blew up.
Ah! I'm burning to death. I think I'm gonna die from cancer.
Oh no,
Man.
at least your house is fine. Your house is fine. Your house is fine. Your house is fine. Your house is fine, man. Your house is fine. Your house
I
is
don't
fine.
think
Your
you're
house is
fine. Why are you still burning?
I'm on.
I'm on fire. He gets shot. Surprisingly, the house is surprisingly took a small amount of damage.
My partner's playing Limbo Company. Fucking hell. He's gonna be late a bit. He said he's eating, but it's actually playing Limbus. That's fast.
Look at this. It's burnt, but it's good enough.
I'm gonna sleep up here. Up here.
I don't suggest that.
No. I do suggest it. Come join me. Come we get a mattress. I already have one right here.
You know, this thing can detect actual.
Oopsie.
Here's the floor. No, yeah.
we don't need that floor. We don't need that. We don't need that.
We don't need it.
We don't need that. We don't need that. We don't need that.
Alright,
We don't need
alright.
that. There you go. That's my.
Can you give me a
That's
bed?
my. Get your own bed, you sucker.
Oh man.
What do you do?
It's here! It's here!
Pigeon! Come with me! Shit, my pigeon!
I'm in my room.
My pigeon! Wait, my pigeon!
No, your
Pigeon,
pigeon!
You're too fast!
I'm trying.
There you go. Oh shit. Don't
Get
worry,
in.
I have you. Where is it?
It's up there.
I should just going up there then.
I don't think we should do that. I think that's
It's not that strong.
it's an EP level of 0, I think.
It's not that strong. It doesn't do anything. Look. It just wind.
Yeah. I feel like you're insulting a child.
We're gonna oh it's gone. Never mind.
Oh,
Oh shit.
damn. You're gonna make the
Bed.
your bed.
What the f did you do now?
I don't know. You called the child ugly. I called it ugly on Twitter. Yes. Oh! What was that explosion?
No, nothing.
What's happening? Are we safe?
Oh yeah, we're safe. We're safe. We're totally safe.
No,
Oh,
the
shit.
pigeon!
Pigeon!
The pigeon! No! No! Wait, you're a rat. Why are you eating a pigeon?
Oh, pigeon! Stake me! Oh shit!
Oh! Ah! Help!
Oh shit! Laggy. Where is it? Oh. What happened? No.
Earthquake!
Oh shit!
Ah!
What have you done?
The earthquake!
Ah.
It's throwing me around!
It's making me
Wait, how'd you even get over here? Get your plane or something!
Get my plane? You fucking shit, I can't even get my plane. Wait, where am I? I gotta kill myself.
I'm on the ocean.
Wait. Fuck, oh, damn!
It's coming towards me! It's gone! Gone!
Wait, Gone. I'm still fucking lagging hard, man. Oh,
It
it's gone.
left.
It's actually gone.
Ow!
Are we good, chat?
You're. I think so. I think we should. We need to move. We need to move out of here, man.
Why, man? This is your family's ancient house passed down to generation.
Dude, I
to
just sold all their
generation.
stuff on eBay.
Yeah, let's just move here.
Let's
Do
move
you have a
out,
chopper? Do you have a chopper or something?
man. Let me get it. Let me get one.
I'm not flying. You're flying.
Alright, give me a second. Let me get my family heirloom vehicle.
Oh shit. Oh. Wait, before that.
My plane.
Again. We need to drop this into the house
Why?
by using a helicopter.
Alright, we need to get out of here.
Wait, where are you?
Get in.
Where are you? What? Oh, there. Can you open the back door?
I don't think I can.
We're gonna put this.
Why do you have a bomb?
We're gonna put this. Did that?
That was my only plane. That was my only plane.
We have one more. This one, I spent all my entire budget on it.
You sure?
Instead of putting the big bomb, we're
Let me
putting
get
a
my
small bomb.
belongings then. No! No more bombs! I don't think you should
Wait.
fly it.
Oh, there you go. Go get it.
No. I'll get my own. I'll get a taxi.
Sure, man.
Yeah.
Alright, your choice, man. I'm out. You're
I'm out of here. You didn't even reach the top. You just exploded. Are you okay?
You see my ass? No.
Where is it? It's so dark here.
You don't see my body?
Where? I can't see it.
Behind you.
Where? It's so hard to see. The grass is so black. Alright, let's see if it works though.
Works?
Alright.
Probably.
Alright, that it. We're leaving. Okay?
You blew me.
You sure that you wanted to hang yourself there?
I'm good.
Alright. I accidentally froze the vehicle.
Really?
Alright.
Alright, take us above. Take us above.
We're going. Where are you?
You're
Alright, let's go. Let's get out of here.
killing me.
Yeah, we're out. We're
You're
out.
killing me.
We'll just- Ah! Oh no! Let's just swim. Let's just swim. Let's just. You have the good idea. Swim. Let's just swim, okay? Let's just swim.
You have to carry me though.
Fine.
What do you mean? Bro, there's barely any
Hey.
stuff inside here.
Oh.
Welcome to Walmart.
What?
They haven't let us unionize for the past week.
Damn, what the hell? Hey, aren't you that one?
Dante!
Don Quixote.
Where have you
Don
been?
Quixote, what the hell? Don Quixote. What the hell,
Where have you
man?
been?
Shut the hell up. You know. What the hell are you doing here? You're supposed to be on the bus right this instant.
You guys left me.
Boss?
Did I? Did I leave
Yes,
you?
you did. You guys said, "Hey, is everyone here?" And then you guys would end up just driving away while I was trying to get you guys.
Hands up, bitch. This is
Oh.
this is a robbery.
I don't get paid enough for this, man. You guys
It's
want
a robbery, huh?
anything? You guys want anything?
I want a double cheeseburger, a Big Mac,
We're
you
out of
know, the
cheeseburgers.
normal thing.
We're out of cheeseburgers, man. We
But
only
there
have
was,
jalapeno cheese sausages.
I want the vape. I want
Want a
the
vape?
mega vape. I want a
Okay,
mega
I'll
vape.
get you a vape. Let me
Hey,
see
hey,
if
hey!
I have some in stock.
I only killed you because you killed me.
Just get one if I have some in stock.
I only killed you because you killed me. Oh, oh, oh,
Is he scared, child? Is he scared that I might?
Ah! Let me just get
How
it.
can I go? How can I get over them if I'm lagging?
Alright,
Oh,
here's
there
your
you go.
here's your vape.
This is the mega vape.
Yep, it's the mega vape. It's one of the most
Oh,
expensive vapes in the world.
It's that good stuff.
Why is there a rat here?
So my dead body.
rat.
What is it there?
Wait. The whole place.
Give me that.
The whole place is filled with vapes, vape clouds. Wait, Dante.
Give me it. Give me it. Don't say it.
Dante,
Nice.
where have you been?
Give it. On the bus.
Why'd you
The
leave
limb
me?
bus.
Stop trying to kill me. I'm trying to start a business here.
A
Well, I
business.
just work in a business. I lost my. I can't even go back to Olympus. What the?
What did you summon? What did you do?
He fell. His plane fell.
It didn't work.
He tried to kamikaze me. Just get over here, please.
I'm
I
coming.
need to show you guys a company secret. We can gamble.
Gumbo, you say?
We have money. Stop trying to kill me.
How much money? That's a question.
Are you smoking in my building?
It's a medical vape. This is my building.
It feels very nice.
Oh! What did I do? You don't want money from the company?
Mods. Crush a skull.
I like how he tried to he tried to kill me. Just get over here already.
I need to do the bomb. Boom! 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 Iowa. What do you want?
Arius car wheel.
Oh.
Alright,
What do you
come
want?
on. Get into the building, please.
Are you guys selling bombs like this?
No, we don't sell bombs, but there's I think I know where the money is hidden. It bounced onto the floor and exploded.
I punched it and I ran away.
You got that wildy coyote looking at it, bounce. Stop playing around with your ability.
Alright, I'll use the seek. I'll use.
Stop playing around
Why
with
is
your...
there
Isn't that the
Bomb.
instant explosion one?
No.
You see this?
How can I come to you if I'm not
Did
lagging?
not
Where are you
do
guys?
anything yet.
Where
Where
are
are you?
You do realize I'm lagging, so...
Oh,
I'm playing
sorry.
around with the ability.
Alright,
Alright.
I'll just look menacingly then.
I can use the passcode for a sec.
Yeah, passcode, yeah. Yeah.
Don't play around with that. Just give it a second.
You should eat it, right? Oh, it's
Okay,
broken.
there.
Oh, whoa. The rat is gone. Where'd he go?
Dante, come with me. This is a secret. This is a secret by the company. They
Come,
provide-
guys.
Oh! Alright, let's play football, bros. The company took
Bros,
all the
where's
money
this-
back, so
Where's the spawn point there?
I don't know. Hey, let's play football. Yeah, football. Still use that.
Football! Football!
Football.
Let's play, no. Let's play called Disco.
Oh, wait, dodgeball.
Yeah, dodgeball, dodge this.
He dodged it very well.
Dodge this.
Balls.
Where'd you go?
Yeah, King Crimson.
Really? Stop being so good, man.
Why is
That's
your body
why,
still here?
That's why I football, guys. That's why I football.
The enemy doesn't know I'm getting closer.
God damn, I died.
I think I know.
Why do I hear a bomb like right next to me? Wait. Stop getting quick. Oh!
Football.
Your shoes on.
I like how the whole thing is already defaulting.
Yeah! Yeah!
Oh, I'm lagging, man.
Yeah!
What is this Ant-Man bullshit?
Not if I kill you first with my rocket launcher. Bogey inbound, bogey inbound.
Bogey inbound.
Oh,
They didn't nerf the thing, what the hell? Oh, wait, I know what to do.
I feel like it got nerfed or something. I don't know.
I know what I must do. It is to
oh, I'm
win.
lagging. I can't even play. Oh shit.
Bogey inbound, fire.
Down.
2,000-pound rocket. Oh. I'm gonna run away from that. Incendiary fire! Fire! Oh, it missed.
Take him down! Take him down! The enemy's inbound! At least
Flame!
at least he did
Flame
die.
on! Oh wait, can I burn the ocean?
Frankie, he landed in the ocean. In the water.
Yeah,
Can I burn it? Can I burn it? Oh,
Son of a bitch.
it's just, it became last time. We just started spawning bombs.
I
You
still
guys
like
did
how
the
the.
things.
Why am I still burning? What did you guys spawn in?
I draw.
This whole place looks like a wasteland.
Is this the power of a god? How's the gravity? Oh, how's the gravity? I was trying to check how the gravity gun works. I don't know how it works.
Stay still. Look, hey!
Freedom is the right of all sentient beings. Prime.
Go at me. Al Hydra.
Higher Hitler.
Y'all like BBC?
Wait,
The
should we
power
clean up
of
the map?
Y'all like
Maybe.
Y'all like BBC?
Frankie, what if we just play around with? Wait, you want to go to a destructive house? Do you want to go to a house that's
You see, I want to play. I want to play another game or Limbus. You know.
Play Roblox, guys.
Let's play Roblox. All right.
Play Roblox.
Wow.
That's how you know he's high. That's how you know Darius high. He starts talking in the weird Japanese language.
He sounds high. I can tell.